Hello everyone, this is Pamper2. Today I have a large incandescent light bulb that I built into a display. You can stand this up right here. This is a cooling fan at the bottom that blows air through here and out the top. And there's the 1500 watt label on the top. These were probably used for street lighting in the 50s and 60s or something else I don't know about. But they're quite rare, and I found one. And then I found a base to put it in and a glass case to keep it sealed so nobody would break it. Turn it on now. Very blinding. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it'll sit here for now. That's all.